Hello everybody, Derek here from Addictive Tips. In this video I'm going to show you how to install the new version of the Brave browser. As it turns out, the video and the article that I wrote in 2017 is now out of date 3 years later, and that's understandable. I know that we've gotten a lot of comments on that video and on that article about how nobody's able to get it working. That's not us ignoring you, it's just the fact that the Brave project has since moved on. They've moved on to a new engine, a new installation method, and all of that stuff that I covered is just now out of date. So I'm going to show you how to do it again. So in this video we'll do the Ubuntu/Debian instructions, but they also have stuff for Arch Linux and Manjaro, Fedora, and OpenSUSE. There's no Flatpak or Snap packages anymore. Don't really know why. I'm thinking it's because they switched to a more advanced Chromium base instead of Electron or whatever they were using. So to start off, we need to install these dependencies. And I've already got them installed, so I can do that. And then we need to copy the key file with just this long command here and paste that, and it will say OK when it's added. May take a bit, and I've added this key multiple times. So next we need to add the software source and then just run sudo apt update like so. And let it run the update. We see the Brave software sources right there, and then we can install the Brave browser. So we can copy this command here, sudo apt install Brave browser. It's going to download everything it needs directly from this source that we just added to the system. And this also means that you get regular updates. I do know that when they had the Snap and Flatpak releases, that was also getting updates. But I don't know, for whatever reason they just decided to move away from Snaps, and that's unfortunate because it means that you can only really use Brave if you use one of the mainstream distributions. So if you're using something that had Flatpak, kind of sucks that you can't anymore, but you know, that's just how it is. But I've used Brave a lot. I use it for writing because Firefox has some issues with some tools I use, especially with WordPress and Grammarly, but you know, things seem to work out fine when you use it on Linux. So now that those commands are done, we can just look for Brave in our app menu and we can start it up like so. And as we see, we can go through the Let's Go thing. We can import Chrome or Firefox information, and that is how you get the new version of Brave working on Linux. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I will see you in the next one.